God damn it. I think I got it stuck. Oh shit, that's fucking hot. That's a 3rd degree burn. Fuck you. Oh shit. Hello YouTube, this is Jackass and I'm gonna show you how to kill yourself. No, I'm kidding. That is hot as shit though. I think it's like over 1,000 degrees. Obviously not, but... I put it in upside down! Oh no I didn't. Oh yeah I did. What did I do? I don't... Oh shit. Come on. You dinky turbo whistle. All I gotta do. Okay, I really fucked them up. It's not. I got it. Tighten this SOB.
I gotta show you this video.
Dude, I'm gonna kill you. Ow! Burning this. How did I tighten it so easy last time? Maybe I held it like that. That resonator is burning me.
I guess you don't know how to do it.
No, I do.
I am texting this to Chris.
I'll fucking kill you.
And Edward.
I'll fucking kill you.
Wait, no, Edward doesn't have his phone, never mind.
See this big ass resonator?
Mm-hmm.
Get the video on there. When you send it to Chris, you should ask him if he wants me to put turbo whistles on his car. Do you want them on your car?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't have a fucking car.
Then you get one, bitch.
No.
Why not?
Because I don't think the car will have turbo.
This is for cars that don't have turbo. It just adds to my turbo.
I don't know.
Don't you want to be a racer?
I don't know what that is.
Basically, a poor car enthusiast. God, what the hell? Like, I'm a racer. I'm a poor car enthusiast.
Good for you.
I smell like shit. Unless that's you.
It could be both of us.
I swear it came in more.
This is 3 minutes of film already.
Is it really? Well, if I could just tighten it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Damn, it's really dirty under there.
Dude, you haven't seen shit.
Did it not work?
Wait.
Are you farting?
No. Got it. Oh, yeah, baby.